Good morning. This is Don Martin again. I am here on behalf of thereasonablerealtor.com. The address is thereasonablerealtor.com. Don't leave out the word the, or you won't get to the right address. It's a website and it's a blog. It's dedicated to people selling their own houses for sale by owners. If you're thinking about selling your house, think about getting it in the MLS, getting all that tremendous exposure. That's what I do. That's what I do in Tennessee. I've been doing it a long time. I am an authority on the subject, more or less. So please do go to the website, thereasonablerealtor.com. In the menu up at top, all you have to do is click on MLS My Home. That takes you right to where you need to be to start getting your house in the MLS without paying huge commissions to put it with a real estate agent. So go to thereasonablerealtor.com, click on MLS My House, and off you go. I'll be the one talking to you. I'll be the one putting it in the MLS. You'll be the one answering your phone and showing your house and saving your commission. Tremendous amount of savings there. You can do the math yourself. Anyway, I would like to say right over right over in this corner, there's a little red square that I would love for you to subscribe. Love for you to subscribe to the Reasonable Realtor. Also like for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. YouTube's still pretty new to me. We're working it out right now. So think of this as just a general promotion for the website, thereasonablerealtor.com. If you're wanting to put your house on the market and you're wanting to sell it for sale by owner, or as they say, FSBO, FSBO, then you need to talk to an agent who is willing and able to do that. I am willing and able to do that in the state of Tennessee. So go to the website, subscribe if you can, uh, thumbs up anything that you see, subscribe right here at this square. We'll keep experimenting till we get it right. Hey, thanks. Bye.